Hi, I'm James Ryan.
And I'm Noah Boone.
And for our 1020 project, we made Calo. Calo is a fitness tracking device which emulates functionalities of MyFitnessPal and Fitbit. Upon running Calo software, the users will be prompted with a login menu where users can enter their username and password if they already have one with Calo. However, for the sake of this demonstration, I'll create a new profile. First, I'll demonstrate if we try and create a profile which already exists in the system. And pressing sign up, we see that Calo indicates to the user that the username already exists. Additionally, if we have some information that's missing, such as the weight, Calo will also indicate that some information is not filled out. As well, it'll also indicate that the username already exists. Now we'll go ahead and make an account that doesn't already exist in the system. And now pressing sign up, the user will be brought back to the login menu where they can enter their brand new username and password. And now upon logging into Calo, the user will be welcomed to the profile tab with a welcome message at top, a log out button right below it, and some information about Calo. Now moving to the dashboard tab, this is where users will be able to view their data such as their steps taken, their heart rate, and as well as a pie chart which features their caloric goal intake, a indicator of their goal intake at the top, the food that they've logged for that day, the calories of food they've logged that day, and the calories they've burned. Now moving to the food tab, users will be able to log their food, and I will now demonstrate logging food. I'll log in apple, let's say, and we'll put in 120 calories. Calo will indicate that the food is logged, and now the breakfast will increase to 120. Now moving back to the dashboard, we can see now that some of the pie chart is missing as we have eaten 120 calories, and the calorie text in the center will now update. The way the pie chart works, it takes in the goal calories, subtracts the food, and adds the calories burned. Now going back to the food tab, I will now log, let's say, pizza, and I'll put in 2,500 calories to demonstrate how Calo handles the user eating over their caloric intake. Here we now see that the pie chart is now empty, indicating to the user that they're 375 calories over their goal caloric intake. Additionally, we have a wipe data button down here, which will just wipe everything back to zero. And as we see, everything goes back to zero. Over on the food tab, everything else is back at zero.
For the Arduino file, we use the accelerometer as well as the RGB LCD screen, the heart rate monitor, and the button to create a step tracking device as well as a heart rate tracking device and a clock with date time and a stopwatch. So to demonstrate the accelerometer's step tracking device, I can start walking. And as you can see, as I'm walking, every time I take a step, it's increasing to the application. And you can see how my heart rate is also increasing as I'm starting to walk around. Once I reach 25 steps roughly, a calorie will be burned because it's roughly 0.04 calories per steps taken. And now that I'm at 25 steps, you can see that a calorie's been burned. And my heart rate is slowly decreasing. Thank you for considering us as one of the outstanding projects.
Me and Noah hope to pursue computer engineering in the fall. This Calo project really gave us a lot of insights on front-end development, as well as being able to work hands-on with a microcontroller such as the Arduino.